Alright, what is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey, back with another video. So we're gonna be track mode today. It's actually Easter today, but I don't know when I'm dropping this, to be honest. I don't really know when this is dropping, but just know, filming a quick little POV today. So for those who are new to Florida or have never been, this is South Dixie Highway in West Palm Beach. It's pretty much got like a whole bunch of places to shop, whole bunch of places to go to here. It's pretty nice for the most part. There's a car wash around this block. Don't ever get gas from that gas station. It's the most expensive gas I've ever seen in my entire life. So I do not recommend getting that gas at all. What else? And then there's so much of other like shopping stores and stuff like that around here, so not too bad. And over here is like a mix of people, which is pretty good. I really like that. Yeah, that gas is way too expensive for no reason, and they never bring the price down. And it's funny because I'm like, how is that guy in business if no one's ever there? It's always empty. I've probably seen like 2 or 3 people my entire life living in West Palm that have went there, I swear. So I don't know, it's a first for me for sure. I swear, I wish I had the freaking mic on my exhaust so people can hear the burbles, because it sucks. Every time I go to edit these videos, like, you can't hear no burbles unless it's like really loud. But besides that, can't hear nothing. There's some other shops and stuff around here. What are these places? And it's also a bunch of furniture spots too, I've seen. So they got places all over. I'm just taking you guys down a little bit. And then there's these like little stores that are like a small business. I'm not really sure who a lot of these stores are owned by, but there's a lot of good businesses around here. What else? There's also some other stuff around here too. Some other stuff on the side. So it's not really a lot, but it's like little small businesses and things like that. That's really good ice cream. Taxes. There's so many small businesses. Sushi was back that way. Subway. I don't know why so many people are afraid to say where they live. Like, people are gonna find you regardless. Nothing is private nowadays. A lot of people be like, oh, I'm not gonna say my location inside of a YouTube video, but it's like, people could find your car plate and figure out where your address is, or just based off you driving. Like, there's been people who live in Florida that I've seen driving, and I'm like, I know you live in Florida. I know exactly where that is. But does this only have 2 pumps? Oh, 4. Oh, there's more in the back. I've never been to this one, but I think I've heard the prices are pretty good here too. So I'd probably try it out. I really gotta launch this car too. I've been saying I want to make a video launching it. I just gotta find a nice empty spot to do it at, because there's some empty spots by the beach by me, but there's always cops tucked away, and the last thing I need is a cop coming out of nowhere. So let's see. really love track mode. But as you can see, gas went from 175 to 159 in a matter of what, 5-6 minutes. So that's how you gotta do it, man. I never understood why they just have that big piece of land there with nothing. Like, they never said if they're building something. Like, I've never heard of anything like that, so I really don't know. What was that, McDonald's? Family Dollar? And this is a pretty long strip, to be honest. And I don't really mind going this way because I have to go south anyway today, so it's fine by me. Little baby pool. Oh my gosh. So imagine I had a titanium exhaust. Just going crazy. Oh man. Pretty nice though. A lot of places here are really nice. It's a shame a lot of the older places, like, they don't really consider marketing, because as you guys know, like, marketing is the biggest thing nowadays if you want to get your business off the ground and moving. Like, word of mouth is good when you first open, you know, of course, but that's not gonna like scale your business. Yes, you're gonna have a lot of people, but scaling it, you need marketing. You need money for marketing. Plain and simple. And for people who complain about they don't know how to run Google ads, all you gotta do is boost your posts on Instagram. If you make Instagram posts, boost it. I swear on everything. Once I started boosting everything I had to do, everything changed. Literally, everything changed. Once I started boosting my posts, it literally changed everything. And that's the one thing, they have CVS everywhere here. It's probably the 4th CVS I've seen. Literally. And there's some stores that actually closed down that are still up, which is so weird to me. But yeah, one of my favorite things about West Palm is it's like really diverse. Like, yes, there's certain parts that are bad, certain parts that are good, but it's so many different personalities and cultures and so many different things. What's this? pets. Got the same idea. One thing I hate is waiting for the freaking train. If you ever have to wait for the train, just put your car in park. It's way too long. Even they changed the light by my house. The light used to be so quick. Now there's a train there. Now, forget it. It's terrible. Grocery store, car wash, gas station. Okay, there's a bunch of little hidden gems within West Palm. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.